Hello children. Once more, your Arun sir going to teach respiration in plant, the rest part of the respiration in plant related to the experiments. Dear children, before that we discussed what is respiration, what is anabolic respiration, what is catabolism, what is anabolism, what is metabolism. We have discussed the difference between respiration and combustion, respiration and breathing, and ATP, glycolysis, Krebs cycle, which part of the plant respire, and about the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. We discussed the difference between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now, certain experiment we have to discuss related to the respiration in plant. So, our first experiment to be discussed, and that is experiment to prove oxygen is used up in respiration. Oxygen is used up, consumed in respiration. Now see this diagram, whatever I have drawn on my whiteboard. This is a stand, and on this stand we fixed two conical flask, cone shaped flask, conical flask, and in conical flask we have kept wet cotton wool. Cotton we have put in water, became wet, and we have taken. And then one test tube, this is a small test tube containing soda lime. In test tube, in both the test tube, in conical flask A and conical flask B, in test tube we have taken soda lime, and by the help of thread we have kept it made it airtight. Now we have also taken here germinating seed. See here, here we have taken germinating bean seed, and here dead bean seed. Bean seed is there, but it is dead. How it is dead? It is boiled in water. So the beans became dead. Here we have taken dead bean seed by boiling in water, and we have treated that dead bean cell with antiseptic, treated dead bean cells, bean seeds with antiseptic and kept here. And in a beaker we have taken colored water, and two tubes are there which is connected to both the conical flask. Now try to understand what I want to show. What does this experiment show? This B is a control setup. Control setup. Try to understand. Control, every condition is same. One is lacking. There is lacking something. One thing is there which is lacking. What that thing is lacking? Here germinating seeds are there. Here dead seeds are there. Means germinating seed is lacking. And in control experiment, just to compare that result, you will not get. In control we do not get the result because one thing is lacking. So this is control setup, and this is our experimental setup. Now once more try to understand. Soda lime we have taken. Let me explain what is soda lime. It is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and slaked lime. Mixture of sodium hydroxide and slaked lime is the soda lime. Sodium hydroxide you are knowing, and slaked lime, lime water. Slaked lime is considered, and their function is to absorb carbon dioxide. This soda lime will absorb carbon dioxide. The function of soda lime is to absorb carbon dioxide, and soda lime means mixture of sodium hydroxide and slaked lime. Now this bean seed which is dead here, by boiling in water is treated with antiseptic. Any of the antiseptic like carbolic acid you can take, or Dettol, or whatever antiseptic that is treated. Now a question arises, why that is treated with antiseptic? To avoid bacterial growth. If it is not treated with antiseptic, bacteria or other microorganism can germinate, can grow there, and the result you will not get. So dear children, this dead bean seed is treated with antiseptic. In both, soda lime is there and colored water is taken in a beaker. Now here a question arises, why colored water is taken? Colored water is visible from outside, clearly visible from outside the glass tube. So we have taken colored water. Leave this apparatus for some time and try to find after some time what happened. Well, you can see the final level, the level of water in both the tube. Here the level is still here and here the level is here. Means there is a rise in level in this tubing A, and in tube B there is a slight rise in water level. That part we have to discuss. What happened? Why there is rise in water level in this tube? See here, already carbon dioxide was there in the conical flask. Already carbon dioxide was there, and that carbon dioxide was absorbed by soda lime. That carbon dioxide was absorbed by soda lime. Oxygen was also present, and oxygen was consumed by germinating seed. And here the seeds are dead. Dead seed can't respire, they will not consume oxygen. Here carbon dioxide was consumed, means carbon dioxide was absorbed by soda lime, which was kept in the test tube, and germinating seed absorbed this oxygen. As a result, partial vacuum was created in this conical flask A. Partial vacuum was created, not 100%. Partial vacuum was created, and due to creation of that vacuum, this colored water rises till here. Once more try to understand. While you drink cold drink, what you do? You put a straw in the bottle and suck air. You suck air. After sucking air from the straw, vacuum is created, and that vacuum draws the cold drink from the bottle, and the cold drink reaches your mouth. Actually, you have sucked the air and you have created vacuum so that the cold drink may reach your mouth. Same is the case here. Partial vacuum was created, and due to creation of partial vacuum, this water level, colored water level, rises till here. Now why it rises? Because vacuum was created, and vacuum was created due to absorption of carbon dioxide by soda lime and oxygen by germinating seed. Now in this case, carbon dioxide was absorbed by soda lime, but oxygen was not consumed because the seeds are dead bean seed. Now, so there is slight rise. See the initial water level in beaker, and slight rise is shown in this tube, but in this tube more rise of water is there. What does it proves? It proves that oxygen is used up in respiration. So dear children, this part is clear, and give reason question. You have understood. And next experiment, let us discuss experiment to prove carbon dioxide is released during respiration. carbon dioxide is released during experiment, during respiration. Very simple thing. Take a test tube. In this test tube, put lime water, and in this put lime water, and put a straw and blow air from your mouth. Just blow air. After some time, this lime water will turn milky, and it turns milky due to presence of carbon dioxide. It proves that while we breathe out air, that air contains carbon dioxide, and due to the presence of carbon dioxide only, the lime water turned milky. But here we are discussing respiration in plant. So what we will do, we will take a round flask bottle. You can take conical flask also, but here we are taking round flask bottle. This is round flask bottle. In the round flask bottle, we will take wet cotton wool and germinating seeds. Try to understand. Wet cotton wool and germinating seed, and make it airtight. Leave it for some time. These germinating seeds will respire. Germinating seeds will respire. They will release carbon dioxide, and in this tube, in this conical round flask, more amount of carbon dioxide will be there. Now, dear children, do one thing. After some time, you can remove the cork. This is the cork. Remove the cork, and you are knowing that carbon dioxide is 1.5 times heavier than air. Heavier than air. So this will remain in the flask. It will not go up, or it will not mix with other gas, because it is heavier than the air. 1.5 times heavier than the air. So do one thing. After removing cork, take in a test tube, take lime water, and in a test tube you have taken lime water and pour the gases here. Since the gas is heavier than the air, it will come, and just shake it or leave it for some time. What you will see, that lime water turns milky, and lime water will turn milky only when carbon dioxide is present. It means carbon dioxide was released by this germinating seed, and that carbon dioxide only turns the lime water milky. What does it proves? It proves that germinating seed produces carbon dioxide during respiration. So that part is clear. One more experiment let us discuss, and that experiment is experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is produced by green plants during respiration. This was carbon dioxide is produced by the germinating seed. Now let us prove carbon dioxide is released by green plants. Carbon dioxide is released by green plant. Now, in this experiment, let us do one thing. Take a potted plant. Potted plant means the plant which is kept in a pot. Take a potted plant and this is a potted plant. Now put plastic over this so that by evaporation the water may not go out. Pack it and put bale jar. Bale jar means a jar shaped in a shaped like a bale. Put bale jar and here you can see in this space is there and let two tubes come out. One tube is coming this side and another tube this side. Two tubes are coming out. Now make it airtight. Airtight. And this tube coming here, in which conical flask is there. This side also conical flask is there. And in conical flask, in both lime water is there. In both the conical flask, lime water is there. Now make it airtight. Keep this on a glass sheet and you can put Vaseline, grease or wax so that it may become complete airtight. You can use Vaseline, grease just to make it airtight. Now keep this for some time. What you will see, in both lime water is there and one suction pump is here. One pump is there. In both the one suction pump is there. From here soda lime is kept. Soda lime is kept and air enters through this pipe. Air enters through this pipe and air is coming out through this pipe. And air is sucked. Suction pipe is there and air is sucked from this side. Now try to understand what happens. If air is sucked from this side, air will come from outside, from atmosphere, and in atmosphere 0.03% carbon dioxide is there. That is negligible. So negligible amount of carbon dioxide is coming in this lime water, and that carbon dioxide also is absorbed by the soda lime. That 0.03% carbon dioxide is absorbed by soda lime. So air containing other gases except carbon dioxide, air containing other gases except carbon dioxide is coming in this conical flask, and in which lime water is there. Lime water will remain as usual because carbon dioxide was already absorbed by this soda lime, and that air which will contain other gases except carbon dioxide enters in this bale jar. In this bale jar. Now what will happen? This air will come here, which will not contain carbon dioxide. This plant, potted plant, will respire. It will release carbon dioxide. But how you can say? It will release carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide through this pipe will go to the conical flask containing lime water, and this lime water turns milky. Turns milky. Means air is not coming from outside which contain carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide was absorbed. It means this green plant only released carbon dioxide. And due to the presence of carbon dioxide, this lime water turned milky. What does it proves? It proves that green plant during respiration releases carbon dioxide. Dear children, I think this experiment is also clear. So, today up to this much, and next experiment we will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.